Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the DB query builder, and also we will see the CRUD operation using the DB query builder. Okay, Laravel's database query builder provides a convenient, fluent interface to creating and running database queries. It can be used to perform most database operations in your application and works on all supported database system. Okay, before using the DB query builder, make sure database configuration has been configured in your application. And if you don't know that how to configure database, then you can go to our channel and watch my previous video which is on database configuration. All right, now we have already configured database configuration in my application. So now I am able to use query builder inside the controller. Okay, now I am going to show you how can we perform the CRUD operations in Laravel using query builder. So go to the project, and inside the project just go inside the post controller. Okay, and here in previous video I have created a method for get all post. It was showing all the post. Okay, let's check first. So go to the browser, and you can see here, if I write here post, then it will shows all the post inside the database. Okay, from the database. Now let's create method for create post, get post by id, update post and delete post. All right, so start with create method, create post method. So go to the post controller, and here just write here public function. All right, function name, let's say function name is create post, and inside this just pass here the request, dollar request, curly bracket start and close, and inside the insert method, create post method, just write here db table and table name which is post. Okay, so just write here inside the table method posts. All right, then insert, and inside the insert method just pass an array, and here pass the post title and post body. Okay, so I'm just going to type here inside the array post title. So just write here title and body. So just write here request arrow title, and another one is body. So just write here arrow dollar request arrow body. All right, now just return a message here. So just write here return post has been created successfully. All right, now create their route. So go to the web.php file inside the routes folder. So just go inside the routes folder and just click on web.php. Okay, and just write here the route for the create post. So just write here route method is post and URI create dash post. All right, and and controller name is post controller. So just write here post controller at the rate method name. So just copy create post method and just paste here. Alright, also give the name here. So route name, just right hand arrow, name, and put here the name post dot add. Alright, now create the view for adding post. So go to the view folder inside the resources folder and just create a new view. So just write here add post dot blade dot php. Alright, and inside the post add post dot blade dot php file, just write here the HTML5 boilerplate. So just write here exclamation sign and press tab. Now change the title here. So just write here add post. Okay. Now inside the body, just add the form, and before adding the form, just add here uh, bootstrap for CDN. So go to the bootstrap get bootstrap.com and just click on get started, and from here just copy the CSS and paste inside the header tag, and also copy the JS. So just click on copy and just paste before the closing body tag. Okay, press tab, press tab. Okay, now inside the body just create a form. So first of all add a section with which is a bootstrap section. Okay, and just create a container. Inside the container just create a row, then column, let's say column call md6. All right, and inside this just create a form here. So just write here form method is post, and action is route name, which is post.add. So just copy this route name and paste here inside the action. First of all write here the curly bracket, double curly bracket, and just write here route, and inside the route paste. Okay, inside the form just create two fields, one for the post title and another for the post body. Okay, so just write here form group class, press tab. Now create a label for title. Alright, and post title. This is the label. Okay, now create a text field for the title. So just write here input type is equal to text, name, title. Okay, class, form control. Alright, and also write here placeholder enter post title. Alright, and close this input tag. Alright, now create another control for the body, post body. So just write here form group. Inside the form group just create a label. So label for post body. So just write here body, and here just write here post body, or you can see here post description. Alright, now create a text area, class, form control, name, which is body, rows is equal to 3. Okay, now close the text area. Finally create a submit button. So just write here input type is equal to submit, and value is equal to, let's say, add. Alright, now add here the at the rate CSRF. So at the rate CSRF. Alright, now let's create a post. So let's check. So go to the browser and just write here add post. What was the URI? So just check here create post. Okay, so just copy this and paste here. Alright, first of all create a route here. So route get, and just create a create post route. So I'm just writing here add post the URI and controller name, post controller, at the rate, method name, let's say method name is add post. Alright, now just create this method inside the post controller. Just write here public function name add post, and just return the view here. So just write here return view, and view name is uh, create post, sorry add post. Okay, so just write here add it as post. Alright, now save the file and also save the web.php file. Now just here write here the add post. Alright, you can see here the post title and post description. So just write here third post title, and just to simply write here third post description here. Alright, now press on add. You can see here post has been created successfully. Now let's check. So just write here post. You can see here third post title. Alright, now create another method for fetching the post by their ID. So go to the post controller, and here just create another method public function, and function name let's say get post by ID, and pass the parameter here ID. Okay, and inside this method just write here post is equal to db colon table, and inside this just pass here the table name which is a post, where id is equal to comma $id. Okay, and get the first record. All right, single post, and just return here, return a view, and let's say post view name is single view, single dash view, for a single post, and inside here just pass here the compact and pass the post. All right, now create a view for the single post. So just copy this name and go to the views folder and just right click new file, paste this single post dot blade.php. Right, inside this view just copy all the text from the add post. So just copy from here and paste inside the single post dot blade.php. Okay, and just remove this form from here, and here just write here the single post. Okay, and just press print here post details. So inside the h1 tag just write here the post title dollar post arrow title, and inside the p tag just write here inside the double curly bracket dollar post arrow body. Okay, now save the file. Now create the route. So for this page, so just go to the web.php file, and here just create route get, and just write here post slash inside the curly bracket just pass here the parameter id, controller name which is post controller, and create method name. So just copy this get post by id and paste here. All right, and also give the name here post dot by id, post dot post by id. Okay, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser and just write here post and pass here the id. Let's say id is 1. You can see here first post. If I change with second, you can see here second post title and description here, and if I change the 3, you can see here the third post title and description. All right, now let's create another method for delete the post. So switch to the controller post controller, and here just create another method public function name. So here function name is, let's say, delete post, and just pass the parameter id. All right, just write here db table, and inside this table method just pass here the table name which is posts where id is equal to $id. Okay, just call the delete method. Here delete method delete the post with id is passed here. Okay, now just return here the message post is deleted successfully. All right, now create the route for the delete post method. So just copy this method name and go to the web.php file, and here just write route colon, let's say get delete post, and pass here the parameter id. Okay, then controller name, which is a post controller, at date method name delete post. Okay, and also give the name here, so just write your name post dot delete. All right, now implement this route inside the post view. So go to the post.blade.php file and just go inside the post.blade.php file, and here first of all create a table. So I'm just going to post.blade.php file and just copy all the text from here and paste inside the post.blade.php file. Okay, now cut from here and paste inside the column. Okay, all right, now just create a table here. So write here table t head, and inside the t head just write here tr th. This is the poster title, so just write here title, and this is the description or description. All right, and inside the table body, so just write here tb body t. Copy this, cut from here and paste here. Okay, and inside the table just write here tr id and paste inside this. Also cut the description title body and paste here inside the td. All right, now create another column for action. All right, so just create here anchor tag a href, and inside the href just pass here the delete method. Okay, so just write here route, and what is the delete route? Post dot delete. So just copy and paste here inside the single quote. All right, and also pass the id here. So just write here id dollar post arrow id. All right, and close the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag just write here delete. All right, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser and just go to the post page, and you can see here the first post, second post, and third post. Add here the table css. So just add a table class is equal to table table stripped. Alright, this is the class of the Bootstrap 4. Okay, now save the file and refresh the page. Alright, now change the column. Let's say 12. Now it's looking good. Okay, now let's delete a post. So just click on delete. You can see here post is deleted successfully. Okay, if I go to the post table again, post page, you can see here. Alright, post is not deleted. Just refresh the table. Okay, something problem. Go to the web.php file and check the URI. Okay, just add here the forward slash and go to the controller and here just check $id db table post where id is equal to this, delete. Okay, now check one more time. So refresh the page and here inspect the element and check the id. Change the text here. Just write the URI and slash inside the double curly bracket. Just write here $post arrow id. Okay, now save the page and go to the browser. Just refresh the page and if I click on delete, post is deleted successfully. Now go to the post page. You can see here post has been deleted. Okay, now in last let's see how can we update a post using DB query builder. So for that, switch to the post controller and create another method. So just click on post controller and here just create another function which is public function and let's say function name is update post, and inside this method just pass here the request $request. Alright, now just write here db and table name, table inside the table just pass here the table name. So just write here posts where id is equal to $request arrow id. Alright, then call the update method and inside this just pass here the array and title is equal to $request arrow title. Alright, and body arrow sign $sign request arrow body. Alright, now just return the message here. So just write here return post has been updated successfully. Alright, now create the route. So just copy this method name and go to the web.php file and just create a route. So just write here route get and URI. Let's say update post. Alright, controller name post controller and method name is update post. Okay, and also give the name here. So just write here name post dot update. Alright, now create a view for edit the post. So go to the views folder and inside the view just create a new file edit post dot blade.php. Okay, now just copy uh, all text from the add post form. Okay, add post.blade.php. So just copy all text and paste inside the edit post.blade.php file. Alright, now change the action here. So just write here first of all just write here post dot update. Alright, now change the text here update and also change the title update post. Alright, now create a, a route for this. So just go to the controller and first of all create a method for this view. So just click on post controller and create here other method which is public function and function name, let's say update form, and here just return the view which is edit post. Alright, and also pass the post here. So just write here post is equal to db colon table, and inside this just passed here post table and where id is equal to $id. Okay, and here just to get the first record and also pass the parameter id. Alright, now right here compact, inside this just pass here the post. Alright, now create the route for this method. So just write here route get, and here let's say update form edit post. Okay, controller name post controller at the rate, copy this form function name and just paste inside the here web.php file. Alright, now also pass the parameter here which is id. Now go to the edit post.blade.php file, and here make some changes. So just write here value is equal to, inside the curly bracket, just write here post title. Okay, and just copy this and paste here, and just write here the body. Okay, and also create a hidden field for the id. So just write here input type is equal to hidden, and name is equal to id, and the value is equal to id. This. Okay, now save the file, and looking all good. Now go to the post table, post.blade.php file, and here just create another link for the edit. So just write here anchor tag href URI, which is edit post. Okay, so just copy this and paste here, and also pass the id here. So just write here inside the curly bracket $post arrow id, and in close the anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag just write here edit. Alright, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, now click on edit button. Description is not showing here, so let's check. Go to the edit post.blade.php file. Alright, just remove this text and paste here. Okay, paste here inside the text area, and now go to the page browser and just refresh the page. You can see here the text. Okay, now make changes here. So I'm just adding here the updated, and just click on update. You can see here post has been updated successfully. Now go to the post URI. So just write here post. You can see here updated. Okay, if I update this round, this post, let's say one, just click on update. Now go to the post. You can see here first post also updated. Okay, so in this way you can perform the CRUD operation using DB Query Builder. So that's all about Query Builder and CRUD operation. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.